When you think about landing a great job, the first battle is getting your resume noticed. And that is exactly why this AI resume screener project matters so much for you as an AI or ML student preparing for placements. This system uses natural language processing to automatically read resumes, extract key details, match skills to job requirements, and rank candidates with clear recommendations, making it a powerful tool for modern hiring teams who process thousands of applications every month. This project matters in 2025-2027 because companies are overwhelmed with applicants, and AI screening is becoming a standard part of recruitment workflows, so building this proves you understand the future of hiring technology. The model supports use cases like parsing education and experience, matching skills to job descriptions, predicting candidate fit, and reducing bias across demographics. You learn how to work with unstructured resume text, extract features, compare skills, and design ranking logic that feels real and industry-ready. You also understand how HR teams use automation to speed up hiring while improving fairness. As you implement this, you see how recruiters value AI tools that reduce manual work and increase accuracy, and this directly boosts your placement chances. Industries like HR tech, staffing platforms, ATS systems, and enterprise HR teams rely on solutions like this, making it an excellent project to showcase on your resume. To build an AI resume screener that feels truly industry-ready, you need a mix of strong NLP skills, machine learning skills, and HR domain awareness. And this slide helps you understand exactly what recruiters expect from someone working on this kind of project. You start with natural language processing because resumes are unstructured documents, so you learn to extract names, skills, education, and job titles using entity recognition. You practice text classification to sort experience levels and identify job roles, and you learn semantic similarity so the system can understand that machine learning engineer and ML engineer may represent the same role. You explore document parsing from PDF and docx files because real-world resumes come in every possible layout. You work with embeddings to match skills with job descriptions more accurately. Then you move into core machine learning skills, like classification models to determine candidate fit, ranking algorithms to prioritize top applicants, clustering to group similar profiles, and feature extraction to turn text into usable vectors. Along the way, you use tools like SpySite transformers, PyPDF, scikit-learn, sentence transformers, and FastAPI or Flask to build deployable pipelines. You also learn HR and ethics concepts such as fairness, bias, data privacy, and equal opportunity regulations, because companies now demand responsible and explainable AI. These skills are extremely valuable in HR tech companies, ATS providers, job boards, and enterprise HR teams, making this project a strong resume booster for placements in early care roles. This slide walks you through the full implementation roadmap for building an AI resume screener, and it shows you the exact technical journey you'll follow to turn raw resumes into ranked, job-ready candidate profiles. You begin by creating a document parsing module that extracts text from PDF and docx files, since real resumes come in many formats and layouts. You clean the extracted text, detect sections like education, experience, and skills, and prepare everything for processing. Next, you build a skill matching system using embeddings, so the model understands similar skills even when written differently, like machine learning versus ML. You use semantic similarity models, such as sentence transformers, to connect candidate skills to job requirements and assign weights based on importance. You then address bias detection by removing sensitive demographic attributes such as age or gender and testing fairness across different groups, which allows your system to align with equal opportunity principles. After this, you work on information extraction using SPACI or custom entity recognizers to pull out names, companies, dates, technologies, and experience levels. You develop a scoring and ranking algorithm that combines skill match, experience, education, and company background, and you train ML models on historical hiring patterns if available. Finally, you design a dashboard or deploy an API so recruiters can search, filter, and view ranked candidates. The beginner timeline is around 7 to 9 weeks, and intermediate learners can complete advanced NLP and deployment in 4 to 5 weeks. This clear roadmap ensures you build something practical, industry-relevant, and highly valuable for placements. This slide focuses on the powerful career and placement value you gain by completing an AI resume screener project, and it shows why this domain is exploding in demand across HR tech and recruitment engineering roles. When you learned how to parse documents, build NLP pipelines, match skills to job descriptions, and rank candidates using machine learning, you instantly fit into roles like HR tech engineer, where you help build recruitment platforms and AI hiring tools used by thousands of companies. You can also aim to become an NLP engineer in the HR domain, where you design resume parsing systems, semantic matching engines, and candidate evaluation models. Another strong role is recruitment AI specialist, where you apply responsible AI techniques to improve hiring quality and reduce bias. Recruiters specifically look for students who understand text processing, document parsing, embeddings, semantic search, and APIs, because these skills make you job ready from day one. Salaries are strong as well, with HR tech engineers earning 7 to 14 lakhs as freshers in India, and going up to 16 to 28 lakhs with 2 to 3 years of experience. NLP engineers often earn slightly higher ranges, and US entry-level roles in this space start at $80,000 to $130,000. Top companies hiring for these skills include Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, Workday, SAP SuccessFactors, Beamery, Oracle HCM, and many ATS providers. This project proves you can build real, production-ready NLP systems that directly support business outcomes. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.